Ever been hip to drop into Fortnite only to be met with that dreaded login failed error? It's incredibly frustrating when all you want to do is jump in with your squad. But don't worry, you're not alone in this video. We're going to dive deep into exactly why this happens and all the best ways to get you back into the action. The very first thing you should always do when you hit a login error is check if Fortnite servers are actually up and running. There's no point troubleshooting your own connection if the problem is on Epic Games, and you can quickly verify this by heading over to the official Epic Games status page, their Fortnite status Twitter account, or even third-party sites like Down Detector. If it's a widespread outage, all you can really do is grab a sack and wait for Epic to work their magic. Okay, so the servers are green, which means the issue might be closer to home. Start by giving your game and your console a good old restart. It's amazing how often this simple trick fixes things by clearing out temporary glitches. While you're at it, double-check your internet connection. Maybe your Wi-Fi decided to take a break, or your Ethernet cable wiggle loose. Also ensure Fortnite itself is fully updated, as outdated versions can sometimes prevent login. If the basic restarts didn't work, it's time to dig a little deeper into your network settings. Try restarting your router and modem, as this can often refresh your connection and resolve any intermittent network hiccups. For players, especially flushing your DNS cache or even switching to a public DNS like Google DNS or Cloudflare can sometimes bypass routing issues that might be blocking your connection to Fortnite servers. These steps can often iron out those trickier, less obvious login barriers. When all else fails, a complete reinstallation of Fortnite might be your best bet, as it ensures you have a perfectly clean and uncorrupted game client. If even that doesn't fix it, or if you're consistently getting a specific error code, it's definitely time to reach out to the game support. Provide them with as much detail as possible, including any error messages, what troubleshooting steps you've already tried, and your platform, sometimes the fresh start or a little expert. Guidance is exactly what you need to get back in the battle royal.